So, good day everyone. Welcome to Learn Card with Manuel. So today we are going to be doing a very simple, basic um, underground parking plan. So we need to draw all the walls. So we go to Control One. Then okay, I think white is okay. Then we need to change the layer to think yeah this one. So if you go to the drawing, the length of this wall is in and one more thing is in feet. So remember all measurements are in feet. So we quickly change that. Then here is about 65. It's looking really small because of then here is 70. Then here is also 65, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's say 14 feet. Then the next one is 14 also. Then 16. Then we have 9. So let's draw all the sections where all the cars are going to park. So we come and change our line type. Okay, then activate our line command. Then that is better. Then here is 16 feet. So instead of just copy. Then the next we do is to put a pillar. So we go to the rectangle tool. Then we look for a suitable point. I think yeah, this should be perfect. Then let's change the color. Let's change to green. Oh no, blue. And from here you can change the layer type. Then you are good to go. So it's going to be like this. So from here we have about I think 3 or 4 pillars that are 17 feet apart. So we can come here, then we copy. Copy, then write 17. So we are done with our pillars. So we're going to need to, okay, I think we have another one here, which is 15. So we are done with the pillars. We just arrange them in their specific corners. So the next thing we are going to do is to create the slanted parking space. And according to my research, it was, I think, 45 degree. 45 tab. And the spacing between them is 9 feet. So just come 9, 18, 27, then 36, then 45. Copy 9. So we are done with the other sections for the parking space. So let's change the color to, let's say, yellow. Same with this one. So the next thing for us is to create the staircase for exiting the premises of the underground park. Okay, 15, 25. So the next thing for us now is to draw the staircase for exiting the premises of the underground parking slot. So just simply draw a simple staircase. Yeah. Then just offset quickly. I'm sure most of you know how to draw a staircase. Then Then we extend to the other side. Let me see if I can remove this. Okay, sorry. Then we extend. You don't need to do much here. Just try to construct a very simple staircase. So we are done. Then we create, yeah, simple. So after this, we create a simple arch. Then we look for something like sand or concrete. Okay, I think this should be perfect. Okay, but we need to change the color of the arch. So Control 1, then let's change it to gray. Okay. So as you can see, it's a very simple underground plan. So the next thing is the right hand elevation. So at this point, we are almost done with our underground parking plan. So what you need to do now is for the right hand side elevation, so we can able to see it from the right hand side or the left. So what we do is simply change to, let's use white, then the layer is okay. Then okay, how am I going to limit the line? I need to say then let's make here 40. Then here should be, let's consider 75. Okay, so we need to offset. Let's just say 1.5. Then we offset 1.5 is too small. Offset. Then I just say 3. Okay, this one is okay. So we just carve out. So now let's construct the ramp. So for the ramp, know that the ramp isn't supposed to be too steep or too deep. So what we're going to do is we're going to like try and customize our ramp. So our ramp should be, let's say, 20 feet high from the ground. Then we need to make it not too steep. Okay, I think here should be okay. Okay, then why it has this shape is that so that in case the car is going down the ramp, so that the bumper won't crash into the concrete floor. So that is why. So the next thing we create a concrete arch. Let's see if you have a. I think this should be okay. Let's try and look for other options. No concrete. Let's see. Let's just take dash or select another color. Okay. This should be perfect. So let's close all the gaps. So at this point, we're almost done with our. Okay. This one is perfect. So at this point, we are done with our own simple undergrad plan. So if you find this tutorial very interesting, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.